Greetings to you all beautiful souls. We have wonderful styles to learn here. Yes, and I mean styles. Yes. In this particular one base, you are going to use it to form three good styles. The one you see popping up now is the first style. So please, I am begging you, just take your time to watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to see how I use this same base to create three different styles. Don't be in a haste to watch this video because I'm going to take my time so that you'll be able to understand every step by step that I am taking to create this video. Alright, so as you can see, what is on my hand is Sego material. Sego material full length and Sego material length 90. So you saw the way I placed it on my head. Just take 10% out of that 90, or let's just say it's 100. So the division is 1090, not too long. Alright, so I took it to from the back. I placed it on my head and started taking my plates. You can see now that I am arranging the plates just to make sure that they align with each other. I took about 4 plates because I'm going to cover the back. If I'm not going to cover the back, I'll take more than that. Alright, but since I'm covering the back, it take like 2, 3, 4 plates or thereabouts, so that you will still have excess material left for you to cover the back very well. Okay, so you can see now I'm arranging the pleats in the front. Take your time to arrange your pleats so that it will be very neat. So taking everything to the back now, that shorter part, which is the 10, I use it to rotate it once and then I twisted it. I hope you're seeing what I am doing now. This head wrap is not hard. Just try it, you will see. You will even get better result than what I have here. It's not difficult at all. So twisted that part now and tuck it in. We have secured the base. So we are going to work with this long handle now. Okay, so you can see this second material I'm using, the back is very outstanding. So I was like fold it into 2 so that as I'm twisting now, that wrong side will not be showing. Alright, so twist it a little bit, maybe to the middle of your head, then you stretch the remaining part out. We are going to create the first style now. So just stretch it out. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing now. Stretch it out, then take little part, and pin it down. When it comes in terms of pinning head wrap, you have to devise a means of pinning your head wrap and it will be very strong. Alright, so taking that little part now, I pin it down to that part that I twisted, the last part that I twisted. I pin it there, thereby securing the base of the head wrap. Alright, you can see I've secured that now. So we're coming to work on this long hand now. So taking it up this way, I started taking a plate, not a main plate but just a rough plate. Okay, I took it until I brought it down. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Alright, so taking everything up this way, and make sure the first line I pleated is the one I am going to pin so that it will hold the other ones. I'm going to use it as a ruffle inside. It will hold it. Alright, so taking my office pin now, you see I've pinned that part down. You can pin twice, always pin twice. If you are not sure of the first pin, you can always pin twice. But in case of tutorial like this, once you pin once and it holds it, we go ahead, because at times you're still coming to remove the pin, and if it's too hard, it becomes difficult for you to remove it and move over to another style. Alright, so watch what I am doing now. You see I am dragging it inside with that hand that is on top. I'm dragging this other side inside, thereby forming a ruffle. There. Alright, so you see this part now. I use the first plate that I created up. I bring it down. That is where I'm going to pin it. Never mind this side that is popping out. You're still going to use pin to pin it. That is head wrap for you. Whenever you're doing head wrap, anywhere you feel like that needs pin, you use your pin and put it down there. Alright, so picking off this pin now, I'm going to pin down this edge, pin it down, then I will come now and arrange the ruffle. This part also that is popping out now, we are still here in this place now. I'm going to use pin also to pin it. Then I'll come back, arrange the ruffle inside. The first style is ready. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, coming across my channel, the person you're hearing her voice is Temi Igero Empire on YouTube and Temi Entertainment on Facebook. I will entertain you all round with all kinds of head wrap. Alright, so do well to drop your like and your comments in the comment section. Please say something about this head wrap to encourage me. Your comments will keep me moving. Yes, so don't just hold it to yourself. Drop that comment. It's not for you. Alright, you can see now I've arranged it. So let's go and close the back now. So the little excesses that is left, drag it down by folding it, bring everything down, and you use your office pin to pin it. Alright, as you can see, the back is closed, elegantly closed, beautifully ready. So that is what the back looks like. Now you can see we are ready to run that party. See how beautiful and elegant the portable head wrap you are seeing there. So isn't it beautiful, cute, elegant? Watch. So please don't just watch and walk away. As I was saying, drop your like and your comments on the comment section. Yes, I want to read your comments. It keeps me moving, it keeps me vibing. As you can see now, I am vibing, ready to vibe in that party, in that ceremony, in that church, anywhere. I am just ready to vibe and vibe and vibe and vibe. So please, as I said before, sit back. Let's look at the second style. So I'm going to remove the pins now from this edge. Remove the pin. You see what I said? By the time you pin it 2-3 times, for you to remove it if you want to create another style will become a problem. Alright, so I'm removing all the pins now. I'm going to remove all the pins. As you can see now, I've removed all the pins. So I'm going to form another style with that handle. Alright, so please do well to subscribe. To not take you anything, just your data. Press that subscription button and you will follow me. Follow button on Facebook and your subscription button on YouTube, and you follow me and we'll be working together. Anytime I drop any video on head wrap, it will surely get to you. You will see it. Alright, so please, if actually you're learning and benefiting from this channel, please share my video. Alright, so we're moving to the second one now. After bringing everything down like this, splitting it down and dividing it into 2 equal halves, I use rubber band to hold the middle because we're going to create beautiful styles from this now. Alright, so hold your head wrap in the middle with rubber band. I'm still coming to arrange the sides like that. Alright, so I hope you are seeing. Okay, so stretching it out this way now, stretching it out this way, I folded the little parts and then take it to the back. I'm arranging it to make sure that the back will at least look neat. Alright, so taking this edge now to the back, I'll get my office pin and pin it to the base of the head wrap. Okay, I'll put it there. Watch closely what I am doing. Pay close attention to my hand. So pin it there. Arrange this one, this other side now. I'm going to spread it as well. Just spread it. Pay close attention to what I am doing now. This head wrap is truly elegant and it's very easy for you to just conquer, for you to understand and practice. If you don't practice, you will not know anything. The practice the same makes perfect. Keep practicing, keep trying it. It might look odd, especially if you're a beginner, but I tell you, with time you will be able to tie something beautiful and elegant on your head. Alright, so you can see I've got the two edges now and I've pinned it together. Anywhere that looks as if it's opening or has opened, just use your office pin and pin it together. Alright, so I'm folding the tip of this side as I did to the other side. I'll fold the tip so that it will not be too high, because some people don't like it being too high. Alright, so I folded the mouth now. Watch closely. Then I'll use my office pin to pin it. Use office pin to pin it down there. Then we'll come back and arrange our second style. As you can see it, that is what is showing on the screen now. This place now I'm going to use pin to make sure I cover that middle where I join the two sides together with pin. Okay, look at it. It's coming out elegantly. It's gradually becoming beautiful. It's gradually becoming elegant. Yes, elegant. Yes, this what is it called, head wrap will always give me, I don't know if others, it gives me this positive vibe. Now whenever I tie head wrap on my head, either going to church, either going to ceremony, the look will always be there, and that look will give you this poise that you just feel should I say you feel relaxed, you feel comfortable about who you are. That is what the head wrap does to us. Yes, your personality speaks while your head wrap will shout for you. Your head wrap will make people to notice you. Alright, so I'm just using pin to adjust it anywhere that needs adjust. The back that was not closing well, I use office pin to make sure I fasten it together, and the whole thing will be ready. Okay, so you can see that place now that looks open. I'll pick office pin to close it, to pin it down there. Okay, I hope you're watching. Please don't go away. You have to take your time. This video is a little bit long, but then it's worth it. Look at the styles. It's not something you do the tutorial in a head. If I'm to tie this head wrap myself, it will not take me time, but because of the purpose of this tutorial, I have to take my time so that you see and learn what I am doing. You can be following me and you are not learning. Learn. Alright, yes. So I'm still arranging it. Okay, that place that looks as if it pops out, I have to make it together and use office pin to hold it so that the head wrap will not be too high, because some people don't like it while some people prefer it being high. So you can see the second style is ready. Then that place I pointed now, you can use your hair accessories to cover that rubber band. Use your hair accessories to cover the rubber band. But if the rubber band you use is the same color with your head wrap, you might probably don't need it. But in case if you have what's it called, hair brooch, just use it and cover that rubber band. It will give it a positive one. Yes, I am ready. Where is it happening? Let's go there and rock. Let's go there and let our head wrap fix or rock. Let our head wrap locate us. Alright, so we are going to rock and dance. Now we are moving over to the third style, please. As I said, they will watch to the end. There are 3 beautiful, elegant styles. Okay, so you can see here now, I'm trying to remove the pins so that we can move to the third style. We'll move on to the third style. Pay close attention now. I'm only removing the pins that I used to join the 2 sides together. Then after removing the pins, we're going to create another wonderful style again. Okay, so please, I hope you've been able to learn something today. I really took my time to explain this head wrap in detail. So if actually you're interested in learning head wrap, I hope you should be able to do something, you should be able to learn something. Okay, so you can see I did not rush the video, so I'm taking my time so that you understand it better and better and better. Okay, so I'm still removing the pins. I think there's still another pin there. Okay, now I'm bringing it together this side. Now I'm going to squeeze it, wash and use it to just form little roughly, just little roughly, not too high. You know, that side, remember I folded it into 2 when we created the second side. So like that, I did not spread it open. I bring it down, just fold it a little bit, bring it down and use your office pin to pin it to the base of the head wrap. Pin it on that twisted part. Okay, you can see, then arrange it just ruffle. Alright, so it look pleated, but the pleat is not really aligned, on just rough pleat. So this side now, I will just stretch the edges and attach it to this one. If not for time, I think I can still use this same head base to create maybe like 2 more styles of it. Yes, but the video is already long. I don't want it to be more than this. Okay, so you can see now, I take the other edge back and pin it, and it is ready. Just adjust it. That is the third style is ready. Alright, if it is on YouTube, I can go ahead and create a lot of style. YouTube can take 20 minutes video, 30 minutes video, you understand? But Facebook does not take it, especially now that Facebook have done all the videos to reels. So if I post 5 minutes video, they will split it. You'll be seeing part 10, part 11, part 12 for just 3 minutes, 5 minutes video. So take your time. If you're watching me from Facebook, take your time to go to my channel in YouTube, Demi Igele Empire. There you will learn better. The tutorial is better in YouTube than in Facebook. Alright, you can see the third style is ready. So in all this style, which one do you think you prefer? Okay, the 3 styles is really sweet, they are beautiful. Okay, so learn 1 base and do 3 head wrap. Alright, we are ready again to rock the party. We are ready to hit the party. Let's go, baby. I love you all, my subscribers, both new and old ones. I say kudos to you all. If not you, I will not be able to be here. So kudos to you all. See you in my next video. I love you all.